I handle two jobs. The one which is the most taxing doesn't make me any money. You're right, the job as a homemaker and a mom is not exactly high paying in money language, but it's the most important for me. I start my day with my first job. Breakfast is my first deliverable of the day. This is one meal of the day which we all look forward to, and I plan it a day in advance. Normally, my house help would cook breakfast under my directions, but you know the house help situation these days. God, I miss her. There are various ways to make masala dosa and the homemade batter, and I am trying to perfect my version of it with time. Parth helped me, or rather himself, to make tea today. Sometimes he helps me these days with preparing the breakfast, as long as it's simple and not something like dosa. I fed Kaya before we made our dosas. I did not shoot that for this episode because, like any other job, sometimes I can't do two things at a time. Sometimes she eats on her own, and sometimes Parth has to pitch in too. Some activities.
Activities.
You do some activities,
Yeah.
and I will go and do some work in the kitchen, okay?
First, can you do its password?
Part of my first job as a mother is to keep Kaya productively engaged throughout the day in such a way that she does not interrupt me much and learns something in the process. Couple of weeks ago, Matific Australia reached out to us to try out their online maths learning product, Matific Academy.
Which one should we do?
You tell me. There are so many options. So there is schoolwork, homework, full course, and monster book. This is absolutely free for use by parents and kids.
It's robots again. So easy.
It's easy or what?
There's the robot.
What is the total number of robots?
1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So we have 4. See?
Good job!
It's boring since it's easy.
Okay, we'll do a tough one soon, okay? This is one time when any product that can help keep our kid busy is welcome. And we were really amazed with the product. We have tried online learning for Kaya before, and this was the only one which was self-paced.
Whoopsie. By accident.
Oh, the bus became sad because you said wrong. Matific is an online math curriculum from kindergarten to class 6 and is supported by an online tutor. They have more than 2000 game-based maths activities which Kaya can complete at her own pace while I can peacefully complete my other household responsibilities. It's perfect for the current situation to make her screen time constructive without much monitoring. It also gives me peace of mind knowing that there is a tutor at the back end monitoring her progress and assigning her new tasks based on her progress. And I get a report on her progress every week. It works perfectly on her iPad and the laptop so that she does not miss out on her learning. Apart from the weekly assignments, we also get an access to the full course, which has hundreds of activities based on each grade level. We also discovered that we have an access to the Matific Arena, where she can learn and compete with her peers from across the globe. It's a perfect tool to enable homeschooling for your children during this lockdown. The access to Matific Academy is absolutely free. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can register and access to all the activities for free. Matific also has a product for schools, loved by millions of teachers and students around the world. Back to my job. While Kaya is busy with her activities, I would clean up the kitchen and arrange some of the groceries which came in. I know my daughter's attention span, and I'm sure she would come to see what's going on in a while. But thanks to Matific, she is spending more time on her activities without any supervision and allowing me more time to work. This is much needed in the current times without any house help.
Eat or not?
But I would have to give her an unhealthy snack, and I think once in a while she deserves that. I would also need to play with her for a while when she ultimately gets bored with whatever she is doing. Luckily, I'm done arranging the kitchen. If Parth is free, he would play with her for a while, and that's a big help. Lunch is due, and I plan to prepare a traditional thali for lunch today. I would leave Kaya to do some more of her activities on the Matific app and Parth to play with her while I prepare lunch. I miss my childhood days when all I knew was to play and fall asleep when I'm tired, not a single worry in the world. Thali is my favorite whenever we go out to eat. One vegetarian thali at a South Indian restaurant is enough to feed me and Kaya. And it doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. I always want to cook something nice for Parth while he is home these days due to the lockdown. This elaborate meal is not normal. It's our little adventure for today. And because all vegetarian doesn't work for us, I'll add some egg curry to it. It's going to be bean aloo fry, sambar and egg curry, roast tomato chutney, cucumber and some payasam. I realized that thali is great when you have it served at a restaurant, but it's a good amount of effort to prepare at home. So I think it's totally worth it to pay the amount you pay at a restaurant while eating out. But my fancy thali is homemade today. Since Kaya is busy with her assignments and taking breaks playing with Parth in between. Parth fed Kaya while I was preparing the lunch. Otherwise, it would have been very late for her lunch. Parth said he's going to collapse finishing it. But he finished the meal nevertheless. He never finishes at a restaurant. I guess he liked it.
Stop the wheel. Can you stop it? Bring it here. How can everybody fall?
Since he enjoyed the food so much, he acted as a support to help me with the dishes. Somehow, whenever I shoot something, I end up using more utensils. Thank God Parth has not complained yet. Kaya has started taking an afternoon nap now. Maybe because she's too bored. However, it's a bliss as I get to complete some of my work during that time. I would clean the kitchen. This time I spent some time in cleaning the chimney and stovetop, which was on my agenda for some time. It's also time for working on my second job, editing the videos I would have shot during the week. I don't get to spend too much time on them now. Sometimes me or Parth take turns at night to edit them while Kaya sleeps. A lot of you ask me to post more frequently, and I also try my best. However, I have limited time with all the household and motherhood responsibilities, and I don't want to compromise on the quality of my content. So I put all my energy on the one video I'm posting in a week. I'm working hard on uploading twice a week, but it's very difficult at this stage. But I feel that I also need to focus on my most important job as a homemaker, and so one video a week is all I can do at the moment. These clothes have been lying in the basket for a few days. Today, I'll make sure I arrange them in their respective places. It's evening by the time Kaya wakes up, and by then I would have got a lot done in the house and mostly on my videos. It's time for our evening tea. Today we wanted to have coffee. Parth always has to be the one to prepare it. While we have our coffee, Parth allowed Kaya to use his laptop to try the Matific Academy.
How many more flowers than bees are there?
I can't count when they keep moving.
She's not used to handling the trackpad, so Parth needs to help her in that area. But overall, a laptop or desktop gives a better experience of the Matific courses.
Monster eat cherries now?
Seems like Kaya has been enjoying it quite a lot. Thank God it's free. I need to prepare dinner as well. And today, on Kaya's demand, I decided to prepare some chicken noodles. The noodles I'm using are organic wheat noodles, and I'll make it with a lot of vegetables and fresh pan-grilled chicken. We, as parents, try so many new dishes for our kids. In my childhood days, there used to be a fixed menu, and I would look forward to the one special dish my mother would prepare once a while and appreciate it. I would feed Kaya first, as that takes up a lot of my time, and she is a very picky eater. Parth, meanwhile, wanted to prepare a Korean soju-based cocktail with some mint and soda to go with the spicy chicken noodles. Food and drinks at a restaurant cost a bomb, and it's so much better to prepare it at home. We all are turning into good chefs, and my Instagram feed is a proof of that. This lockdown is teaching us a lot in different ways. Before going to bed, I normally plan out my next day and also work on some of the video ideas I have. Parth meanwhile sits on the desk and works on some of the edits or sometimes his pending work from office. We generally end up sleeping late. I just hope the next day is lighter on us and as productive as today. I realized that my responsibilities will only increase with time. I have to keep up with it and ask for help when I need. Gone are those days when there was nothing to worry about and we could sleep like a log after a tiring day. Yet, life is good.